At Synergy Worldwide, we transform lives with the most innovative and highest quality health solutions. We're the elite health company. Our fight is against the toxic, environmental elements that wear you down and limit your achievements. Our promise is to deliver nutraceutical solutions made with validated ingredients, tested for potency, and produced in state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, where we set the highest quality standards. How can we do all this? Well, our roots run deep. In 1972, at the kitchen table of Christine and Gene Hughes, Nature's Sunshine was born, the first company to encapsulate herbs. For 27 years, Nature's Sunshine grew an international reputation for integrity and service. Then, in 1999, a new wellness company arrived on the scene. Synergy, listed number 8 in Entrepreneur's Hot 100 businesses. As a driving force for self-care, Synergy caught the attention of Nature's Sunshine, and in 2000 was invited into the Nature's Sunshine family. Synergy was provided with all the resources for expert in-house manufacturing, ingredient sourcing, quality assurance, and more. From that point, Synergy took off, delivering elite health across the globe. Along the way, we were named Supplement Manufacturer of the Year. Our medical and scientific advisory board was established. Our facility earned prestigious NSF certification. Forbes listed us as one of America's most trustworthy companies. We celebrated the opening of the Hughes Center for Research and Innovation, featuring labs and clinics for product science. We pioneered revolutionary microbiome, detoxification, and performance supplement programs. We earned the ISO 9001 and 17025 certifications, and our manufacturing facility became USDA Organic Certified. We united our charity programs under the banner of the Impact Foundation, and our story is just beginning. Though our history makes us strong, our people make us stronger. Thanks to people like you, thousands across the world are taking steps towards elite health. We invite you to discover Synergy and put our products to the test and unlock your potential.